2.66 is activated. 2.65. God, see my profit. 0.39, 0.49. Oh boy, let me click on. Oh, I should allow it to increase more. Well, for this training, I'll be doing that one later. I haven't traded yet tonight. So let me click on close by, confirm, success. So there's nothing here again. My profit has increased. Let's be honest. Most people lose money trading future because they jump in without understanding how the system really works. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade Bybit Futures safely on your phone with step-by-step guide. Even if you're a complete beginner, you will understand it. You are looking for futures trading for beginners, Bybit Futures Trading Guide, Bybit Tutorial Derivative. This video will cover everything. And yes, you can start with as little as $10. Now, I know some people will say futures trading is highly risky or impossible for beginners. But wait till you see what happens when you understand leverage, margin, and stop loss the right way. Before I go further, let me give you this quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Everything you learn here is to help you understand the process so you can make better trading decisions by yourself. So always do your own personal research before investing. Now let's dive in. Grab your phone and open your Bybit app and follow me step by step. Check your balance, or you can click on these assets. Now you can see your balance. So it's very important to confirm that you have funds in your account. You don't know how to transfer funds from one exchange to another. Check the pinned comment or description to this video. I have a tutorial video for that. You don't know how to buy coin directly from your local bank account. I have a special video on that also. Check the pinned comment or description to this video to go watch the tutorial. For this, you can start with as little as $10 to $50 in line to practice. Step number 2, select the right market. Click on markets. It's possible you are seeing it on spot like this. So just click on derivatives. Good. Now, if you click on any of these trading pair, it's taking you straight to futures trading. Alternatively, you can click on this search bar. Let's assume you don't want to be scrolling down to look for the coin. You can click on this search bar, then search for the coin. Is it BNB? If it is BNB, whatever the coin you search for, it will give you two categories in this interface. One will be under spot, another will be under derivative. Make sure you click on the one under derivative, and the trading pair should be /USDT. This is BNB USDT trading pair. This is BNB USDC trading pair. Don't do mistake and click on USDC. Click on BNB USDT under derivatives. Do you understand me? In Nanugo, let's go back to the home page. I want to show you another method to get to this. So if you click on any of these, or you click on it, maybe you look for it from here, it will take you to where to trade. Then the next thing is for you to select your coin, right? I think I've shown you. Another method is this. Instead of clicking on markets, I'll show you about the market. Just click on trade. Then from here, probably your own may be showing sports. So anything you do here now is under sport trading. But we are treating futures. What will you do? Before I go, take note of this. If you see buy, sell, that means it's sports. If it is futures, you are going to see long, short, long and short. So how are we going to get to futures? Just tap on this one. This is futures. You see it here? Great. Then the next thing, you can click on this trading pair. Probably you want to go and change it to look for your favorite coin you want to trade. So from here now, I think we have gotten to where we were before. So you can look for the trading pair here or search for it here. So let me click on XRP as we want to use XRP now. So this is futures and we are seeing long and short. It's no more buy, sell. So we are right inside the futures interface. Step 3 is to pick the coin, which we have picked our coin. Step 4 is understanding the long and short. The long versus short, which is this one. If you believe a coin will rise, then select long. That is, you believe this coin will rise, the market will rise, then select long. And if you think it will fall, the market will fall, then select short. I hope you guys are understanding me. Going long means you are predicting the price will go up. Going short means you are predicting the price will drop. Either way, profit only comes from correct direction and proper risk control. So let me tap on long. Now, before opening any trade, you will notice that USDT might not appear in your trading balance just like this. What you are seeing here, this. I have USDT, but it's not appearing here. For it, I have it. It was appearing. I have to cut and make it look like how you may be seeing it. I have it already, but I just transfer it back to how, as a newbie, your account may look like, so that's just to train you. So that's what I quickly did now. So your account may be like this. You'll be seeing zero. You'll be wondering like, I have money here now. So let me explain what happened. The money you have there probably is in fund wallet. So you need to transfer your money, your fund, from the fund wallet to unified trading account. How are we going to do that? Click on this plus, click transfer. Then you'll be seeing it like this. Here is your money. So you have to transfer your money from this funding account to unified trading account. The funding account is mainly for receiving crypto deposits, making withdrawals, and storing assets, just like a digital bank account. Why unified trading account is designed for active trading across various financial products. So you can use it to trade spot margin, perpetual, futures, and anything. I hope you understand now. So let's transfer the money now. What I will do now is to click on this maximum, or you can put the amount you want to transfer here. Yes, you can put the amount here. But as for me, I want to put everything. So I will click on maximum. Then I will click on confirm. The money will, oh good, the money is now reflecting. So which means the money is readily available to be used for trading now. It's now in UTA, Unified Trading Account, available to trade now, be it sports, be it futures, or whatever. Next, let's talk about margin type. Yes, so I'll click on this isolated to show you the margin type. Now we have isolated, we have cross, we have portfolio, we have more details. We are going to talk about isolated and cross. Isolated margin means only the money in your current trade is at risk. If the trade fails, you only lose that portion of the money you put there to trade without affecting the money you have in your other accounts. I hope you guys are understanding me. But that is different when you are talking about cross. This cross is just like opposite to it. This cross simply means your entire account balance is used as backup for that trade. Let's say you put some money in there that you trade. Your entire account balance you have is used as backup. If the trade fails, then it keeps pulling from your remaining funds. And that is why I usually advise newbies that always click on this isolated to protect your funds. It's only the pro traders that prefer using cross because they know how to manage the risk. But as a newbie, protect your fund. Put it isolated. So let's move on. So now comes the most misunderstood part, which is leverages. This place. Let me click on this place. Now you see 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 25x, and so on. Leverage lets you trade with borrowed funds. This X you are seeing, it means that it will multiply the amount of financial ability you have just to help you borrow the money. Let's assume the financial ability I have for this now is just $10, right? So I want to trade with $10. If I put it 10x like this, it means $10 I have multiplied by 10. Then that is the amount of money they will borrow me. So that is 100 USDT. So I will not trade with 100 USDT when I only have $10. I only have 10 USDT. But so far I put it 10x, they will use it to multiply my financial ability and borrow me the money. So 10x multiplied by $10 I have, it makes 100 USDT. Then I will now say, okay, now I have money. I'll go and trade with 100 USDT. Which means, imagine the profit I will make if I trade with 100 USDT and you only trade with just $10. You can imagine the profit I will make over the person that just used just $10. That is the benefit of using this leverage. Because me, I use leverage. That is why I'm able to trade with that amount of money. Do you get it now? That is the good part of it. But the downside of it is this. So far, the profit is multiplied by 10. So be it the loss. The loss I will have if I fail, if the trade fail, the loss I will have will be multiplied by 10 also. You know, the profit is multiplied by 10 for me. I'll be happy over a person that just use normal amount without borrowing money. But me, I borrow money. So it will be multiplied by 10, which is if I put 10x. If I put 5x, that is multiplication by 5. Do you get what I'm saying now? The higher the pros, the higher the con. So leverage can be powerful, but it's also dangerous, especially if you are careless. So if you are new watching this video, keep it within 5 to 10x. It's okay. Don't go to 25, 75 or whatever. No, 10x is okay. 5 to 10x is okay. So I'll click on 10x and you'll see what will happen now. And remember, more leverage equal to more risk. Just hold it. So when opening your trade, just leave this other type as limit. This one, leave it as limit. Let me click it so that I can see. We have limit, market, conditional, chase limit order, scale order, TWAP, iceberg. But put it limit. I will explain. Limit gives you better control of entry price price and helps you to get low trade fee. If you put it market now, the charges they will give you now will be higher. But if you put it limit, they will only charge little amount of money. So that's why you usually use limit in order to maximize our profits. And if you have to put limit now, okay, I'm still going there. I will demonstrate everything. So next thing now, let's set our limit price. Limit means when we want the market to trigger and activate. So let's put the limit. Since we have 2.65 now, 2.66 or something. So I will put it where it can easily catch up. 2.6. Let me leave it 2.66. That is 2.6600. This place now, the quantity of XRP. How are we going to do it? I want to put $10. 10 USDT is what I want to put. But because I put 10x, that's going to be 10 times 10, making 100 USDT. So now I want to do like a big boy. I want to trade with 100 USDT when I can only afford 10 USDT. Don't mind the balance I have here. It's just based on amount I want to put to trade. Okay, 10 USDT, and I put 10x leverage, making 10 times 10 100. So that 100 now divided by the current price here, which is 2.6. all right, that is 38.46. So this place now I will put 38.46. That is the amount of XRP I want to get. Do you understand how I did the mathematics? So when set, the next thing to do now is to scroll down to set our take profit and stop loss. Click here. Now our take profit with this now based on the market. What is your belief about the market? I have made some videos on that. For many of you that have watched my videos, you know how to read the market. If you have not watched the video, check the pinned comments. I'll put link for you to go and watch the video. But let me quickly come back to study the market so as to know either the price will go up or will come down. All right, the way the thing is now, there is tendency that this market will fall. So I will click on short. When we are talking about take profit and stop loss, this is where smart traders protect themselves. Take profit means the price where you want to automatically secure your gains. For example, if the price drops from 2.66 to 2.65, then you can set your take profit to 2.65 in order to close your short trade with profits. This is one of the good things about futures trading. It's different from sports, because sports you only make money or you make profit when the market price goes up. But in futures, you can also make profit either market goes up or comes down. It depends on how you predict it, and if you predict it right, you will make money. So let me talk about the stop loss, which means I want to predict that the market will go down. But if the market now go up, that is loss for me. But in order to protect my fund, I have to put stop loss just to protect my fund. So stop loss now, I will say if the market goes to, let's say, this is 2.66, 2.67. If the market goes to 2.67, that is stop loss. This single habit separates disciplined traders from gamblers. So I will click on short now, short, then click on confirm. So look at it now. Look at my order. This is my order. My limit is 2.6600, which means until price fall to that limit, then the market will be activated. If market never fall to that limit, the market is not activated yet. Let us say I waited for a long time hoping that the market will come down to my limit price just to activate, and instead market just going up. I can easily come here now and click on cancel. Click on cancel. That's all. Or probably when you see that you have profit, you have gotten profit, you can click on cancel. Let's say the market have been activated and you see that you have been making money, you have been getting some profit, you can click on cancel just to cancel the trade so that you can have your profit. Let me do it again. Let me put it 2.666, then take profit 2.665, 2.65. So look at it now. If I decide to take profit as 2.65, look at the profit I will get. So it depends on the entry price. So let me put it 2.66 here. The limit entry price 2.66. Then this one on 2.65. Stop loss is stop loss because I want to go for short 2.67 stop loss. So if I go for stop loss now, it's showing me the amount that is $0.2 will be my loss that they will deduct from my account. That will be my loss because I put stop loss. But if this price goes down to how I plan it now, look at the small profit I will have. $0.46 is what I have. And if you feel like this profit is too small for you, you can increase it. Instead of 2.65 now, you can put it because you are projecting that the market will go down. So you can put it 2.64 or 2.63. So if I put it 2.63 now, look at the profit I'm having, $1.2. You see, if you understand this thing, you can use it to play anyhow you like because you understand it. You know the game. You know the game very well. So let me leave it 2.63. Entry is 2.66. So now I put the entry now. I'll put my entry to 2.66 now because I know that this market is coming down. So click on short. Then then click on confirm. Good. So look at it now. This is it. You see it here. So when I tap on it, it's on triggered until it reach the entry limit. Let me come back. Let me click on these positions. Now from positions, now from here I can edit my stop loss and take profit by clicking here. Yes, I can edit by clicking here. If I now feel like I've been making profit and I'm okay, I want to stop it. Another method is by clicking this close by. Are you seeing it now? By clicking this close by. Like when you feel like you have made the profit, you're okay with this now, I click on close by. So this is my profit and loss analysis. Look at it. It's green. I am making profits. I am making profits, little profits, but it's not activated yet. Still untriggered. Yes, still untriggered. Now it's approaching 2.66. This is 2.6611. Don't forget, it will only trigger when it gets to 2.66, and this is 2.6087. Hey God, it's going 2.6603. Some trader says I don't use stop loss because I trust my analysis, but that is the fastest way to blow an account. Always protect your capital. When your trade hits your take profit, or if you decide to exit early, just go to positions, then tap close by. It's simple. This is positions. I've shown you before. This is positions. Click it, then tap close by. This is close by. Or go back to order. This is order. Then click on cancel. Hey, 2.66 is activated. 2.65. God, see my profit. 0.39, 0.49. Oh boy. Let me click on. Oh, I should allow you to increase more. Well, for this training, I'll be doing that one later. I haven't traded yet tonight. So let me click on close by. Confirm. Success. So there's nothing here again. My profit has increased. Let me click on assets. Good. 49.95. My profit has increased. I did not wait for this to reach my take profit, but I just want to demonstrate it for you to see. And I am happy because I'm able to do it for you to see. I like something practical so that you will not feel confused. What is the essence of watching tutorial video and still get confused? I don't like it. That's why I took my time to demonstrate it for you guys. So here is what you have learned today. How to trade Bybit Futures safely using your phone. The difference between long and short, and how to move funds correctly. The fourth one, why isolated margins protect beginners. The fifth one, how to set stop loss and take profit professionally. So if this video has helped you to understand futures better, please hit like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Please, I beg you, I am begging you specially to help me to share this video. You have comments, you have inquiry, question, drop it for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. This video is purely educational. Trading involves risk and results may vary. Always learn, practice, and never trade money you can't afford to lose. This video and this video, go and watch them. It will help you a lot. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.